How to log out Viber on desktop. So let's get started. So first of all, open a Viber application in your desktop. And if you're already logged into your Viber account in your desktop, now to log out of this Viber account, navigate to top left corner and click on your profile icon. From this drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now again on this pop-up box, you have to click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option as Deactivate Viber on desktop. It says deactivating Viber will delete your conversation history and app data. Your conversation history will still be available on the other device. So click on Deactivate. And once you confirm it, click on Deactivate. Once you do that, you'll be logged out of Viber from your desktop, but you'll be still logged into Viber in your mobile device. So that's the way to log out of Viber in your desktop, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.